Hi, in this video I will show you how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress and send data through Bit Integrations. At first, open the Bit Integrations dashboard and click on Create Integration button to create an integration. Now select any trigger of your preference that you want to connect with Mailchimp. I am selecting Gravity Form. After completing these steps, the actions will appear on a new page. Now search and select Mailchimp from the actions pages that you want to integrate with your selected task or form. Here you can set the integration name of your preference. Here you have to set the client ID and client secret. If you already have Mailchimp client ID and client secret, go to Mailchimp API console. Then click on Edit. Copy to app URI and redirect URI from integration setting dashboard and pasted Mailchimp register app dashboard. Then, click on the Update button. Then, copy the client ID and client secret from Mailchimp Register App dashboard and paste it integration dashboard. Else you have to create one. To create a Mailchimp client ID and client secret ID, you have to go to your Mailchimp auth 2. Links in the description below. Then, click on the Register App button. Now give an app name as your preference, app website and redirect URL. App website and redirect URI takes from integration dashboard, copy and paste Mailchimp register and app dashboard. Then, click on the Create button. After successfully register app, then, copy the client ID, client secret and paste it integration dashboard. Then click the Authorize button. After successfully authorize, then click on the Next button. Select your audience from the drop-down menu. You can add a tag, also multiple tags, for the contacts that you have created before on your Mailchimp account. After completing these steps, you can see the Mailchimp field. Now, map your form field and Mailchimp audience field. You can also add address fields, checked on Add Address Field, then show the Mailchimp address field. In this 4 address fields mandatory in Mailchimp audience. By enabling the double opt-in action, admin can ask permission from users if they want to subscribe to Mailchimp or not. You can update Mailchimp field in Exist Contact, checked on Update Mailchimp. Then, click on the Next button. Finally, to save the integration process, click on Finish and Save. Now go to your selected task or form, and type some information and save. Open your Mailchimp account to check whether the data is sent to your Mailchimp account. Bit integration has an option in every integration called Timeline, where you can check integration success or error status. By enabling the double opt-in action, admin can ask permission from users if they want to subscribe to Mailchimp or not. You can update Mailchimp field in Exist Contact, checked on Update Mailchimp. If the user already exists in your list, it will update the subscriber with other field information based on the email address. So now I'm going to my form and submitting the form with the same email to see if the data is being updated based on the email address. Thanks for watching.